later so we can do the install. So for me, it's gonna take like hours, but for you guys, 5 minutes. As you can see, these are so much better. With the plastic still on, but we're about to take that off. These are nice and clear. Now, let's put them on the car. Alright, so now we're here. Let's install these turn signals so we can get the cleaner look of the car. So, let's go outside. So we're gonna get rid of these old ones. It's fairly simple to do. Pretty much you grab these, pull them back, and you pull forward. And they should just come out. Don't let this go, as you'll never find it again. All you have to do is disconnect the old one and put on the new one. Fairly simple. Just squeeze the tab, they should come out. Very simple. Just grab your new ones and click them in. And it goes back the same way. Back in first. Pull back. And just place it inside. Push forward here. And there you go. Here's the look of the new ones. Looks so much better. As you can see, this one looks so much better compared to the old ones. I would totally recommend these, as these look so much better.